Hello, and welcome back to part 2 on how to make money with public domain. If you have not seen part 1, see the link below. Okay, let's get started. You can post public domain videos and movies on YouTube. I will tell you this though, your channel will probably not get monetization from Google AdSense this way, but you can still make money through other ways, such as through subscribers, donations, and selling vintage things with public domain, like t-shirts, mugs, hats, and posters with public domain images. Here are some examples of successful YouTube channels focusing on public domain content. This is an interesting channel right here, creating audiobook content based on public domain books. Alright, on to the next strategy on making money with public domain. You can create and sell as a print-on-demand product, such as calendars, canvas prints, frame prints, wood prints, metal prints, posters, notebook covers, mugs, and much more. Calendars are a pretty popular item. Here's a good site for creating and selling custom calendars. CreatePhotoCalendars.com. You can use public domain image to create your calendars, sell as much as you wish, and let them take care of the order processing, fulfillment, and shipping for you. Another website like this, but has more product categories, check out FineArtAmerica.com. This is a big online marketplace for buying and selling artworks, prints, home decor, clothes, and more. With just a few clicks, you can open an account, upload your images, select the products that you want to sell, set your prices, and begin selling your public domain art to the millions of buyers all over the world. You can also try dropshipping your public domain products. CanvasChamp.com is a good website for dropshipping. Upload and create your products from canvas art prints, home decor stuff, to pillowcases and custom face masks. Alright guys, I hope you got some more ideas on how to make some money with public domain. I hope this video helps. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more free online tutorials and guides. As always, thank you very much for viewing.